Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So I have a quick wig tutorial for you guys here because it's super easy. I actually made a couple mistakes throughout this video, so I'll be showing you guys that as well. But this is my wig from VP Fashion. I actually have a code for you. Also, I used Arctic Fox in this video, and it's the same exact code as well. Code Kiwi. But let's move on. So I used Shimmering Lights shampoo and just put it inside this bowl, switched it around, and then put the wig straight into it. This, I just didn't want to dye anything. I'm gonna be honest, this was just pure me just being lazy and wanting to finish a wig within a couple of minutes. And you know what? It wasn't the greatest idea. As you see me like swishing this around, it came out really patchy, and I'm not happy about that. I'm not happy about that at all, and that's actually why I ended up dyeing it with Arctic Fox Girls Night. You can see like right here, right as I pull it up, you see all that patchiness. Oh my god, it's so bad. I'm so sorry about that. But I let it sit in the bowl for a little while in case you do like the color that it came from. It was just purple shampoo. That's all it was. And it came out as like a white. And then I even tried covering it in purple shampoo and it looked like this. But it still came out patchy and I'm really sad about it. It's just something that I couldn't fix, so I just smothered it in a dye as close as to this color that I was trying to achieve, which is Girls Night. I just look at this. I look so lost and I'm just like, what do I cut? Sorry, I look really dumb here and I wanted to leave it in. Anyway, I'm cutting the wig right here. If you guys don't know how to cut bangs, I've done this tutorial on my channel before, but you just brush it all forward exactly how you want it, flip it without losing your finger on that spot, and right when you get there, you just cut it. And then boom, you have kind of a layout where it's like curved, and the mid section is shorter, and then I blow dry it and curl it with a blow dryer just to see how it is. And then if I don't like that, I'll probably just cut it shorter, as you see later on in here. But I do like blow drying the hair just a little bit, especially if I'm cutting bangs. Bangs are a pain to me, but I think they look really cute on this wig. This wig looks very, as people say in my chat, anime waifu, which is not something I'm gonna hate on. I kind of like that. But yeah, here I'm just cutting it. The first length that I did is actually this length right here. I like it. I don't know which length I like more. I think it just kind of depended, but like on the color and style that I had it. But I did like this style right here just because how, I don't know, the color was very simple and light and just really kind looking, you know? So I kept it a little bit longer, but since I have a bold color on it now, kind of bold, it's still pastel, I made it a little bit shorter so it would be less like in your face. So this is how it looked before I did really anything else to it. And over the past couple days, I found out that I didn't like it. I didn't like the patchiness, and I didn't like just kind of the style of it. It just didn't feel complete yet, even though I really liked it. I know a lot of you guys liked it as well. But right here, I cut it a lot shorter. This is just so it sits right above my shoulders and stays there rather than sitting on it, and it stays nice and uniform. Also, I did this little style just to see if I cut it shorter and change the style of it, if I would like it, and I ended up not liking it. But I'm going to show you how I like set up this hairstyle. So you just tie up the back, and then I actually braided the sides. I actually did 2 braids on this one. I did one on top right next to the first tie up, and then I did one a little bit lower and closer in to the fringe of the face and brought it all together in the back. The other time I do it, that you'll see how I like finalize it. Oh, look at all that patchiness. It's so gross. It's so gross. I think I actually get frustrated right here. Yeah, you can see that. I actually covered it in Girls Night, and I was really angry that I had to change it because, I don't know, it's kind of cute here. I wish I didn't have to change it, but if I wanted to keep this color, I would just have to really dilute Girls Night, but I should have done that without doing any of the purple shampoo. So this is what we have now. Look at it. It's really cute, really anime, short, adorable. I'm pissed off about it because I didn't want to dye hair, and that's what I ended up doing in the end, and that's why this video took so long, and I'm sorry. I like it now. Anyway, so right here is the final setup. I tied up the back, braided it, and then only braided it once right over the first tie, and then I put some gems in it that I actually got from North Paw. They're originally for some ears, but I was like, I'll just put it in this wig, and I think it came out really, really wonderful. Anyway, that's my video for this week. I'm so sorry it's short, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just let me know down below. Okay, bye. Have a wonderful day.